Hello everyone, hope you're all well. Just wanted to come on here to explain a few things as to why I have been absent on YouTube over the last couple of months. Well, there's certainly not been as much content coming out as I'd normally produce. A fair few shorts, but not many long form videos in the way of the landscape style videos that so many of you have been enjoying for the last 4.5 years since this channel began. Now, the reason I've not been making too many videos is because, unfortunately, a close relative of mine has been diagnosed with a long-term but terminal illness. So I have been spending all of my spare time with them, supporting them and trying to prepare them for the changes that are to come, because it's been a bit of a shock to the system for all of us as a family, and I'm struggling to keep the momentum in life. If I'm honest, it's been a bit tricky, and it's therefore meant that a lot of the videos, the editing has had to take a bit of a back seat. In particular, it's easy for me to make the shorts on here and bung them together on my phone, but of course the longer form videos take a lot more editing, and to be honest, like I say, all of my spare time has been put towards helping make the necessary changes in this person's life so that they have a comfortable rest of their life as possible. So changes on the horizon for myself and my family, but it won't stop me doing what I do, which is of course helping to make Habitats for Wildlife and encouraging you guys, which is of course the main reason this channel was started 4.5 years ago. So just wanted to explain to you where I've been. I've also been on holiday. Well, I've taken a couple of weeks out to spend some time with the kids as well over the summer holidays. So yes, it's been a family-filled time of late, which I'm not knocking. It's been absolutely wonderful. But of course, the recent news has meant that it's taken up a lot of my spare time. That, along with running the online shop and obviously the landscaping side of things, including making wildlife gardens in landscapes such as this, well, not quite just behind me, but a little bit further behind me in a little town near Abergavenny, where I am currently working in South Wales. So yes, the landscaping, the shop, and of course the recent issues have meant that I have been completely tied up. So I have had literally no spare time. So thank you to you all though for bearing with me, but I can assure you that there are many more videos to come very soon, including one with a good friend of mine, George McGavin, who is a very well-known broadcaster in the television world. He's also a tremendous entomologist, and he has a wonderful career spanning many decades in which he has achieved a heck of a lot. So do stick around, because we also visited the last known resting site or resting place of HMS Beagle, which was of course the famous ship that carried Darwin around the world on his adventures. So a really fascinating interview coming up with George McGavin, so stay tuned for that one, as well as all the usual shorts and the longer form videos, because rest assured, wherever I am working, I have been filming all the projects that I've been working on over the last few months. So lots of editing for me to do into this autumn and winter to bring you guys some wonderful content. So thank you so much for bearing with me. I will try my best to get as many videos out on here as I can in the coming weeks and months, but of course they may be a little bit sporadic given the recent set of parameters that we have to work with. So thank you as always for the support. Hope you're all well wherever you are around the world. Stay wild, stay tuned, and I'll see you all very soon.